Aave could dip 9.9% by August 21, according to Gov Capital. But first, let's check what the price has been doing today. As of right now, Aave has gained 8.8% in 24 hours and is hovering near $95.35. Let's see what the analysts predict today. 30 rates forecasts a move to $101.73 by August 21. That's roughly 6.7% above the current price. Aave is projected to move up toward $96.33 per CoinCodex, an expected increase of 1%. According to CoinDataFlow, there is potential for it to head lower to $93.87, a loss of about 1.6%. Another prediction from Gov Capital notes Aave may fall toward $85.94, an estimated move lower of 9.9%. Finally, Crypto Predictions expects a slide to $62.55 by tomorrow. That's 34.4% under current price. This is the best return scenario. We've gone over 5 calls for tomorrow. Let's keep moving. Now that the forecasts are clear, let's dive into the numbers. According to the full set of predictions provided, the expected movement is somewhere between a drop of 34.4% and a rise of 6.7%, depending on the analyst. It appears Crypto Predictions ends up with the highest projected return, with 34.4% gain in value by tomorrow. In short, you could earn between $10 and $344 for every $1,000 you invest. When evaluating probabilities, CoinCodex's forecast has proven to be the most reliable, with an 82.6% chance of success. Taking all the forecasts together, I've mapped out a consensus outlook. According to the consensus outlook, Aave is expected to move lower by approximately 7.6%. Okay, let's take a closer look. From the consensus perspective, the price may go lower by 7.6% by tomorrow. As a result, your capital may also advance by approximately 7.6%. If you applied $1,000 here, it could show around $76 in return. So in summary, the probability attached to the consensus outlook for Aave stands close to 14.9%. Here's the part where we explore the expected price trajectory for the next 3 days based on analysts' views. 30 rates suggest the market will keep pressing upward. Additionally, CoinCodex believes Aave is on track to rise further. CoinDataFlow signals a short-term move lower. Additionally, Gov Capital believes the chart points to a decline. Also, Crypto Predictions expects Aave to decline steadily. The consensus highlights a bearish outlook, pointing to Aave trending lower over the next 3 days. Taken together, the majority of analyst views suggest Aave may decline. 5 sites published forecasts 2 days ago. Let's see how they held up in reality. As a result, the end-of-day value came to $95.32. The majority of forecasts turned out correct in this case. The closest match to the actual price was from 30 rates. Let's see the breakdown. Yesterday's candle included 4 forecasts. When it comes to ROI, a few positive results appeared. The best one came from 30 rates with 4.9%. Now on screen is the summary table, all results together in one view. When checking results, 30 rates showed 4.9% ROI and accuracy. Take a closer look and notice whose forecast stayed closest to the actual move. Now you can see how Aave compares with other assets in the forecasted returns for tomorrow. In tomorrow's forecast, Aave holds the number 1 position with 7.6% expected growth. For now, we're comparing Aave with 4 random cryptocurrencies. The full comparison across a larger group is now on my website. Stay ahead of the crowd, subscribe to see new moves before they unfold. See you in the next cycle.